What's going on? Giovonni back, and today in this video we're gonna talk about 3 ways to wake up happier, feeling successful, and ready to attack the day. Hey, let's get into it. Tip number 1, water. Yes, water. I know it's small, it seems like a small thing, but water really is good for your body the first thing when you wake up in the morning. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and get, your teeth brushed and your face washed and everything. But as that drinking a nice warm water, it wakes up your organs. It makes your body function better throughout the day, so you can absorb more food. You can take in more knowledge throughout the day. It just essential small key that I started doing about 2 years ago that really helped me throughout my day. Yeah, books. Books are my number one secret. Oh man, I love reading books. I read one book every single month, and I always read it first thing in the morning. Well, of course, after I, get my other routine, working out, and drinking my water, like I said before, get myself together. But a book before I go to work, I go attack my day, or even go hang out with my friends. Oh man, a book opens up my mind. I mean, being able to just learn a new skill. Either reading a biography or just self-improvement. It helps me prepare throughout the day. I mean, it's kind of like meditation to me. So, throw that in, one day. After a while, you get that one day in, and it comes to 2 days. They might skip a day, but then after a while, it's going to become a routine where you just have to pick up a book and read. It's awesome. I know a lot of people do the Audible and listen to the books, or some people like to listen to the podcast. I'm old school. Give me a nice thick book and read about something empowering. Oh man, it's awesome. So, of course, that was our 3rd tip. Hey, you like these videos? Hey, I'm coming in every Tuesday and Friday. So, hit subscribe, hit that bell. So, the next time we're going to come with another video coming up next week. So, hey, I'm out. I'll see you guys next week.